Cory, you've been in business now over 16 years. It started as a brokerage. Tell us how that brokerage has evolved and where it stands today.
And that's really, Michael, that's how I started the company 16 years ago, was helping people buy and sell airplanes. Now our brokerage has grown tremendously since then. Now we've got a whole team working behind that transaction. So what do I mean by that? If we're helping someone buy an airplane, we have our maintenance department that is helping us go through the maintenance of that specific aircraft, determine what we want to do for the pre-buy scope for that specific one, helping us to make sure we're getting our client the very best pedigree of airplane. And in the reverse, if we're helping someone sell their airplane, we have our maintenance team that is there to help us as well. When we get the list of discrepancies from that pre-buy inspection, it's not just the broker looking at it, not just me or our team looking at it. We've got our maintenance eyes on there to help us save our customers as much money as possible. So that's number one. Number two is we're not just a suitcase broker. We can help someone if they want to buy an airplane. We can help them set up the complete flight department. We can help them manage the aircraft, setting up, hiring the pilots, vetting the pilots, helping them get through training, having our clients save a ton of money by riding on our fuel contracts because we buy so much fuel annually. Our managed clients get to ride on top of that. And then if our owners want to make a little revenue when they're not using their aircraft, they can put it on our charter certificate. We can charter it into our fractional program and to the public. So it's not just a suitcase broker anymore. We can support our clients from the very beginning to the very end now.
So as an operator, how does the operational expertise trickle into the brokerage part of the company and benefit that?
Yeah, great question. Because we're flying thousands of hours a year, like we're actually operating these aircraft, we know the gotchas. We can know what to look for in the history of the aircraft, or has this part been replaced or anything like that. So it's our goal to get our clients the very best aircraft at the very best price.
So from the top level, you know what kind of aircraft to recommend to start with. And then once the customer decides on an aircraft, you know all the sort of the micro details inside of that in terms of really what to look for in the open market.
Exactly. Now we can help people after they buy an airplane. We can set up their full flight department, hire the pilots, negotiate hangar contracts, save them tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on fuel by riding on our fuel contracts, maintenance contracts. It's a one-stop shop. We can help them from the very beginning of the process, help them manage the asset, generate some revenue on it if they want, and then sell it at the end.
So how does somebody start a conversation?
Go to our website, SkyShare.com, go to our brokerage page. There's a form at the bottom, fill it out, and we'll reach out to you.